Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing for a moment of silence.
Good morning, Sutton High. Today is Tuesday, September 19th, 2023. It's day 6. For lunch, we have Meatball Sub and broccoli.
For guidance news, we have a full calendar of colleges visiting us for lunch this week. Lunch is the perfect low-pressure time to ask questions about a school's campus, available classes, and most importantly, the food. Today, we have UMass Lowell joining us. UMass Lowell is a comprehensive research university in an urban setting with a strong focus on hands-on learning. They offer the best of both worlds, a traditional campus experience and the ability to extend out into the real-world career preparation through co-ops, internships, and clinical placements with New England's top employers.
In general information, this Thursday will be the start of our digital wellness campaign here at SHS. We will have a guest speaker during advisory for all students.
The photography club will meet in Mr. Wandice's room today after school. Please see Mr. Wandice with any questions.
Are you interested in traveling to Costa Rica this April? There are 5 spots left to join the trip. See Miss Mo in room 268 for more information. Now over to Matt and Adam for today's special.
What's up, Sutton High? So today, me and Matt, we created a new segment that's called Compelling Questions with Matt and Adam. And today we asked 3 people interesting questions about life. So here they are. What's up, Sutton High? We're here with Cassius, our first victim. If you could travel anywhere, where would it be and why?
Probably the Bahamas to escape everything, get away.
Escape everything. What do you mean by that?
Just like get away from everything, school, people, you know what I'm saying?
You heard it here.
Yeah.
Cassius Trussell. What's up, Sutton High? We're here with our second victim, Mr. Wandace. And what is the most trouble you have ever been in?
Most trouble I've ever been in? I signed a legal agreement that I will never speak of it ever again, so I'm sorry, I can't answer this question.
You heard it here, Mr. Wandace. Or, yeah, Sutton High. I
Sure.
messed that up. Thank you, Mr. Wandace.
Those were some pretty crazy answers that we just got. Now, I know. Back over to Dan and Lando.
All right. For athletics, boys varsity golf versus Tantascwa at home today at 2:45. Cross country at Blackstone Millville at 3:30, and girls varsity field hockey versus Notre Dame at home at 3:30.
In esports practice will be held after school today from 2:30 until 5 in room 200. See Mr. Bilko with any questions.
Have a great day,
Sutton
Sutton High.
High.